Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix error code Xerox in Modern Warfare 3. This error can be frustrating, but don't worry, we have some solutions that might help. First, let's try updating your graphics card drivers. Outdated drivers can cause various issues, including game errors. Go to the website of your graphics card manufacturer, Nvidia or AMD, and download the latest drivers for your specific car model. If updating your drivers doesn't solve the problem, the next step is to repair your game files. Open your Steam or Battle.net library, right-click on Modern Warfare 3 and select Properties. Look for an option to verify game files and click on it. This process will scan your game installation for any corrupted or missing files and attempt to repair them. Sometimes your firewall or antivirus software might be blocking Modern Warfare 3's connection. Temporarily disable your firewall and antivirus and see if that resolves the error. If it does, you'll need to add an exception for Modern Warfare 3 in your firewall and antivirus settings. Another solution is to check your in-game resolution. Go to the Options menu in Modern Warfare 3, select Video Settings, and make sure the resolution matches your monitor's native resolution. If none of the above solutions work, you can try booting your PC into safe mode. Restart your computer and repeatedly press the F key before the Windows logo appears. This will take you to the Advanced Boot Options menu. Select Safe Mode and see if you can run Modern Warfare 3 without encountering the error. If the error persists, you can try reinstalling DirectX. Go to the Microsoft website and download the latest version of DirectX. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Another step you can take is to perform a clean boot. Now, this will help identify if any third-party software is conflicting with Modern Warfare 3. Search for msconfig in the Windows search bar and open the System Configuration app. Go to the Services tab, check the Hide All Microsoft Services box and click on Disable All. Then go to the Startup tab and click on Open Task Manager. Disable all the startup programs and restart your computer. If none of the previous solutions have worked, you can try reinstalling Modern Warfare 3 as a last resort. Uninstall the game from your computer, then reinstall it from your Steam or Battle.net library. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.